Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, GCP for Dummies. This series is based on the Associate Cloud Engineering exam provided by Google Cloud. We are going to go step by step in our prep for this exam. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I wish you the best of luck in your exam. Let's have a look at how GCP organizes its resources. We call this resource hierarchy. We have an organization, a folder or folders, a project or projects. What do we mean by this? Let's say that we work for company X. GCP resource hierarchy says that you can only have one organization. Therefore, in this scenario, our organization is organization X. In our company, we have a HR department, an IT department, and a finance department. 3 departments. So we can create 3 folders within this organization. If you only have one department or you work collectively throughout departments, you can create only one folder. Within our IT department, we have a delivery department section team and working on a new service. We create for them and their own projects. We have a software updating. We have a software team which updates our apps. We create their project. And we have IT support for customer care, and they also get a project. Remember, these all lie within the IT department. We'll talk about the billing concepts later, but for now, when we're looking at the resource hierarchy, we can work out who gets billed for what usage. And therefore, when the bill comes through, we can understand easily where this budget comes out of. And that's the whole point of this resource hierarchy, to make it easier for teams to understand who is using what resource and who should pay for it. To recap, we can only have one organization, one or more folders, and one or more projects. If you'd like to see a couple of examples of this, I will have a quiz later on going through that. Thanks for tuning in, hit like and subscribe, and let's get on to the next concept. Good luck.